Hey, we're residents at Conrad Grebel University College.
I'm Abby, and I'm in my first year studying sexuality, marriage, and family studies.
And I'm Ruth, a second-year art student studying social development studies. Welcome to our room. This is my side of the room over here. I have raised my bed up as high as it can go so I can fit my whole dresser underneath with so much storage underneath my bed. I love the opportunity to have the extra floor space so that I can fit an ottoman that I brought from home. It's a great place for friends to come and sit and hang out, and put extra pillows and make it a nice space to study when I'm not studying at my desk. I love studying at my desk. I spread out all my things with the nice space, and I love being right beside all the natural light. Grebel has a wall of windows to let the sun shine in and make it a nice natural space to be.
And this is my side of the room, so I also have my bed raised fairly high so I can keep so many things underneath, having a printer, my record player, and a fridge. It's super nice to have all of that space, as Ruth has mentioned before. If we come over here, I have my desk and my dresser. So the shelf space is super awesome because I can keep my many mugs and my many books out of the way, but still displayed nicely. And the closet and dresser, there's so much space for so many clothes and other personal necessities to keep in the deep shelves. Another thing I would like to mention is my love for decorating. Bringing command strips has allowed me to hang many pictures on the wall, which I really love.
We have loved decorating our room to make it more like a home. We love having our door open so that residents can come visit anytime. We love it here at Grebel. Hope to see you around. Bye.
Bye.